Alright guys, here we go with the Rising Tiger 7-shot 500 gram by White Tiger. We believe this is made by Raccoon Fireworks. They make White Tiger also, as well as several other brands. It's really good artwork on this. Love that tiger on there. Let's show you the description here quick. Lots of dahlias. All shots have gold strobe. Got some sea blue, peach, yellow, green. Really good color in there. It's a really good hitting cake. Any of these 7-shot cakes usually hit really good. So, White Tiger, Rising Tiger, 500 gram. Shout out to Just Some Pyro. He wanted to see a demo of this. He was going to pick one up. And let's see what it does. Alright guys, here we go. We got the Rising Tiger 7-shot 500 gram by White Tiger. Shout out to Just Some Pyro, formerly known as Georgia Pyro 81. Here's the demo. Let's hit it.
Beautiful.
That's definitely a raccoon hitter. Thanks for watching guys. 319 out.